Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did my birthday hairstyle. If you were on my birthday live on YouTube, you've probably already seen this hairstyle, and I promised you guys a tutorial. And this is also a really nice holiday hairstyle that you can do. So if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my birthday, December 12th. You're probably not going to be watching this video on December 12th, but today is my birthday and this is my birthday hairstyle. So I'm going to be showing you guys the tutorial on how I achieved the hairstyle. If you were on my YouTube live earlier today, and you've probably already seen the hairstyle, and I promised you guys I was going to post a tutorial, so this is it. Yeah, I'm also going to be using products from Verb to achieve this style. I've already reviewed Verb products before, so I think you guys are already familiar with them. Let me not talk too much. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on the notification bell so I get notified when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. I'm actually filming this video December 11th. Tomorrow is my birthday, December 12th. So this is the hairstyle that I plan on wearing on my birthday. I'm trying to keep it very simple but still nice and elegant at the same time. So I'm going to be doing an updo, just like a simple high bun with some bangs. I'm using the curl line, basically the leave-in and the curl cream. So these are the products I'm going to be using on my hair because I want my hair to be really hydrated and still have nice hold. Okay, so my hair is already washed and deep conditioned. I use the hydrating mask as my deep conditioner. I already did a whole review on this. I'm going to link it down below if you guys want to see it. And it comes in this really huge big bottle. So they made this big size for people with curly hair that tend to use more conditioner. But yeah, I already did all that. I already washed, already deep conditioner. So we're going to just jump straight into styling. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done a front section like this. This is the section that we're going to be doing the flat twist that's going to form the bangs. So just like this, and the rest of our hair we're just going to do simple twists. Since I washed my hair in sections, I have about 6 sections on each side, so I have like 12 sections in total. So I'm going to split each section into about 2 or 3 smaller twists. I'm going to have about like 24 to 36 twists in total. Okay, so first I'm going to start by spraying some warm water in my hair. My hair is low porosity, so I like to use warm water because it helps to open up my cuticles a bit so that any product that I apply can easily soak into my hair, and also so that the water can actually soak into my hair better. Next, I'm going to be taking the Curl Leave-In Conditioner from Verb. Now this leave-in conditioner has a very light and creamy consistency, as you guys can see. So it's very moisturizing, and it really absorbs well into your hair, so it's good for people that have low porosity hair as well, and also finer hair, because finer hair likes lighter products. And it's also good for finger detangling because of how creamy it is. It contains good conditioning ingredients and also fatty alcohols that are going to help to moisturize your hair, and it also contains glycerin, which is a humectant that pulls moisture in your hair. It has silicones though, so if your hair doesn't like silicones, that's just something to keep in mind. Next, I'm using the curl cream. Now this is on the thicker side, and it also has a little bit of hold to it, so it's good for twist outs, braid outs and stuff like that. It's going to give your hair a nice hold and still leave your hair moisturized at the same time. It also contains nice conditioning ingredients and plant extracts as well, like sunflower seed extract. The leave-in also has plant extracts. I believe it has sunflower seed extract as well. The curl cream also contains fatty alcohols that are going to really help to moisturize and lubricate your strands. And it does not have any silicones, so it's only the leave-in that has silicones. But both products are paraben free, gluten free and sulfate free. I always use the two products together, and they really moisturize my hair and give me a nice hold, especially when I'm doing like styles like twist outs and braid outs and stuff like that. You guys will see in the video when I'm taking my twist down. But the only thing that I have an issue with is that the products don't last in my hair as long as I'd like them to last. So I always say this in every video where I review these products. It's something that you have to keep on reapplying if you want to keep up the moisture levels in your hair. So that is just something to keep in mind. If you're the type of person that doesn't have the time to do that, these products might not work for you. But if you're the type of person that moisturizes your hair very frequently, then you would not mind these products. Also, it's best to use the products on fresh, clean hair, because sometimes if there's other stuff in your hair, it might start to cause like flaking and you start to see white flakes. So yeah, it's best to use the products on fresh, clean hair. And also make sure that you don't apply too much so that you don't have build-up problems, because that again can also cause flaking. So I'm done twisting half of my head, and I'm gonna twist the other half. So I'm done twisting all my hair. I had about 36 twists. Now I'm gonna start working on the front. Now this front portion, we're gonna be doing 4 flat twists coming forward. So right now I'm going to be doing the first flat twist. There's something I usually do when I'm flat twisting that helps me to reduce tangling and breakage on my hair, especially if you have type 4 hair or hair that tangles easily. It's called separating the pieces, where I separate each portion into tiny pieces before I actually start flat twisting. I didn't really show it in depth in this video because I didn't want the video to be too long, but if you click the eye at the top, I have a video where I show you guys exactly how to do separating the pieces before you flat twist. So just click the eye at the top for the video that's showing up right now, and I went into more detail there and actually showed you guys what I mean by separating the pieces before you flat twist. It makes your flat twisting much easier, and the technique helps to reduce breakage. Okay, so this is the last and final flat twist. So we have 4 flat twists coming forward. You can do more if you want. I just like to do 4 because I'm lazy, so yeah. But yeah, these are my 4 flat twists coming forward. Now I'm gonna start doing the bangs. So if you have long hair, what you do is that you just take your twist and you do a bantu knot at the end at the height where you want the bang to be. So I just want my bangs to be a little bit around my eye level, so that's why I'm gonna be doing the bantu knot. And no, it doesn't damage your ends. It actually keeps your ends protected if your hair is very moisturized before you do this. And you don't have to use any bands or anything to hold your hair. It will stay in place. So I am done doing my twist, and I'm just gonna go to bed, tie my hair with a satin scarf, let everything set and dry, and tomorrow we'll come and do the takedown and do the bun. So this is the next morning, December 12th, my birthday. So I'm about to do my hair now. I'm actually going to be doing a YouTube live soon, so I'm practically getting ready for that live. Anyways, my hair is completely dry. All my twists are dry, and these ones in front. So I'm about to start taking out my hair now. I'm going to be using the Ghost Oil. Just applying that to my hands before I take out my hair. You guys already know how this one works. I've also reviewed this before. But it's a very lightweight and nice oil. Then I'm just going to apply to my hands and a little on my hair before I start taking out my twists. It just gives my hair this very nice shine. It helps my style last longer. And yeah, just makes my hair feel really, really smooth and nice and soft. Okay, now time to start undoing my twist. So as I'm taking out my twist, I'm also separating at the same time so that I can have a lot of volume. I'm not really going for definition with this style. I'm going more for volume. The twist style just helps to give my hair a little bit of texture. So to get better volume, it's better to separate immediately when you unravel one twist, so that you get to separate your hair as much as possible. Okay, so I'm just unraveling my twist and separating at the same time to create more volume in my hair. The products, the curl cream and leave-in, they give you very good definition. So if you're going for definition, the products will definitely give you really nice definition. And even when you separate, I just separated this piece. See, the definition is still there. So to give you really, really nice hold. But like I said, since I'm going for volume, I don't really care about the definition that much. So I'm really going to separate and pull the pieces apart. If you also want to keep more definition in your hair, it's also good to apply some of that Ghost Oil to your hands before you start taking down your hair, so that it helps to reduce frizz and you don't really mess up your definition. But like I said, since I'm not really going for definition, I really don't care that much. But I'm just giving you guys a heads up in case you want to keep the definition in your hair. Apply some of that Ghost Oil before you take down your twists. Okay, so now I'm done undoing all my twists. So next we're going to start working on the bun. So I think I'm going to go to my bathroom so that I can set up my mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to flip my hair over and use one of those hair ties that I always use to tie up my hair into a puff. Then I'm going to start doing the bun. So this bun is actually pretty easy to do. You take random pieces and you just wrap it around and secure it with a bobby pin. It might take you some practice to get used to it, but that is just basically how you do it. So you take a random piece like that, wrap it around like that, and secure it with a bobby pin, and you keep doing that until you have no more hair left to wrap. So sometimes I do from left to right, sometimes I do from right to left, just wrapping it around. And like I said, I have a mirror on both sides of me so I can see what I'm doing as I'm wrapping my hair to make sure it looks nice all around. So that is the last piece. I'm just going to fold it over and just tuck it at the back. And that is it. That is how you do this bun. It's very, very easy. It looks very complicated, but it's a very, very easy bun to do. Practice makes perfect as usual. So next, I got these hairpins from Amazon. Since this is a holiday hairstyle, technically I actually wanted to use hairpins that look like snowflakes, but I saw these ones that look like flowers and I was like, okay, close enough. So I'm just going to take these pins and just insert them into my bun. I got them off Amazon. I'm going to put the link down below. And they go in so easily, so they don't damage your hair or anything like that. You can put them in easily and slide them out very, very easily. They don't snag your hair or anything. And they also have to keep the bun in place as well. So that is it. I am done attaching all the flowers to my hair, and that is basically how you do this hairstyle. Okay, so I'm going to go do my makeup, put on some jewelry, and this is the final look put together. This is such a nice holiday hairstyle, and if you have shorter hair, you can definitely use extra hair like Marley hair or Kanekalon hair to do the bun. Also, if you don't like the bangs like this, you can definitely take out the bantu knots and the flat twist to have curly bangs if that's what you prefer. But yeah, you still have some versatility with this hairstyle. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and did my makeup, and this is my hair. If you were on my birthday live that I did on YouTube earlier today, you've already seen the style. So this is just the final finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I absolutely love how this thing turned out. I just want to say thank you again to everybody that was on the live that I did earlier today for my birthday. Thank you to everybody that came to celebrate 2 hours of my birthday with me. It was a really nice live. We had a lot of fun, and I'm gonna try to do at least one live, maybe every week or every 2 weeks. Thank you to people that sent me super chats. Thank you to everyone that was just there yesterday for our 2-hour live. I really enjoyed this. I think I have maybe one more holiday hairstyle tutorial to do in the series. I already did 2. I think I have 1 or 2 more to do. So yeah, there's definitely going to be another hairstyle after this. All the products I use are from Verb. I'm going to leave everything down below in the description box. And if you also want to watch my other videos where I use the products to get like more information on more of the other products that you have, I'm also going to link those videos down below, or you can click the ad at the top or wait till the end of this video and it's pop up on your screen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.